and I know that you'll continue to do so in the future. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Always remember na may sumusuporta sa'yo all around the world. And you may be sleeping, but you'll always be the one thing in my heart.
I know that your journey has always been challenging, but you always work so hard, and for that, I'm always so proud of you. You know very well that my support for you is always 100% unconditional, and I will always be here for you. I hope to see you soon. I hope you'll be able to come to the US and perform here. I look forward to your debut in Ahof, and congratulations to this event. Much love from the US.
JL, congratulations on your debut in Ahof. From all the hard work, sacrifices, and endless passion you've poured into this journey, this moment is so well-deserved. Your voice, talent, and your heart continue to inspire us every day, and we couldn't be prouder. This is just the beginning, and we couldn't wait to see you shine even brighter. Always remember, we're here cheering for you every step of the way. Keep on reaching for the stars because you were born to be one. Congratulations, JL.
One word that describes JL is Sifoy. Hindi mo kanaya. Congratulations again kasi natupad mo na yung dreams mo. Kaya pag-idol ka na. Please remember, andito lang kami. And hindi ka namin iiwan always. We got you always. And sana hindi ka magbago throughout the years. As in JL and as JL yourself.